Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. In this video I'm gonna share with you how I made this beautiful hot air balloon. Well, I used two techniques in making this balloon. First time I failed, and I'm going to share with you what I did, why I failed. Before I started making this, I was doing a little bit of research here and there, seeing how other people are making it, and what I got from everyone was that it's quite challenging to make this. I came across a post that somebody said that they used 8 hula hoops in making that hot air balloon, and I was like, oh, that shouldn't be that hard. I'm sure I can make it much easier. But to tell you the truth, it was tricky. It was very tricky, and as I mentioned, first time I failed. I was successful for the second attempt, and I'm quite happy with the outcome. I think there was room for improvements. I just didn't have the time, but I'm going to share with you both techniques in this video. I hope you like it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, please subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to share with you two different techniques that I use in making this hot air balloon. To tell you the truth, first technique failed, but that was my problem because I lost my patience and I started putting too much pressure, and the balloon just popped, and I ended up being miserable. And so I started trying to make it again, and then I realized that I didn't have some of the things that I needed, so I came up with the second technique. For the first technique, you need, regardless of what kind of techniques you want to use, you still need a basket and some sticks that serve as a base for your balloons. I was thinking, what can I use? I was looking at the broomsticks, at wooden sticks, and while I was in Dollarama, I came across these sticks, and I still have no idea what they are for. Probably they are serving as an extension for some sort of brush or something. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, but if you go to your local Dollarama, probably they carry these, and these are a perfect size, perfect length for what I was looking for. So also for the basket, I picked up these. The package of 120 is only for $1.50, and they can be handy for so many different projects. I really they were very helpful in securing my sticks to the basket. So this is pretty much what I used as a base, and then I picked up a huge 36 inches balloon. Yeah, this is really big, and these come in all sort of colors and even transparent, and I used white ones just because I thought I'm gonna have this as a giant balloon, and then I'm gonna add little balloons to this. And what I was using for that was one of these, this is called, maybe you cannot see them very well, but these are called balloon glue dots. These look very small, but they're extremely strong, and once you use them to attach two different balloons, you literally cannot separate them. That's how strong they are. While I was using these for little balloons to attach them to these big ones, and it was going very perfectly. I was so happy with how it was looking, and all of a sudden I lost my patience and I started putting too much pressure, and this big balloon just popped. It was quite late at night, kids were in bed, and I was just I really I got frustrated, and then I started to make a new one from scratch when I realized that I have no idea where my glue dots are. Well, earlier kiddos were playing with it and they put it somewhere. I couldn't find it, and I was just like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? I have so many balloons that are filled and ready to go, and you know, I just gotta find a way to make this hot air balloon. So I started attaching them to this guy, and probably most of you are familiar with it. This is a great way to make designs with balloons. It comes in all sort of sizes, and it is very adjustable. So I started attaching all of those little balloons to this, and then trying to make it in a circle. As you can see in the picture, there are some gaps, and if I had this, I would have filled the gaps with another balloon. But unfortunately I found it after I filmed, and you know, so I couldn't fill the gaps. That is the only regret I have. I wish I would have found this earlier. And I even went to Party City, which is a store near my house, and they didn't carry it. The only place they sell it that I know of is Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a great time. Bye bye.